everyone! 皆さん、こんにちは。しーちゃんです。今日はね、天気がいいから散歩しましょう。So, I think I can share with you an app that you can use outside and that might make your walk a little bit more interesting. Let's go.
Today I'm taking a walk in this ancient woodland in North London. It kind of feels like in the countryside, but it's only 20 minutes away from central London. It's very lovely and peaceful. This app, Seek, is a part of iNaturalist and is simple and completely free. A great thing about this app is that it can identify plants, insects and animals or anything in nature. What you need to do is to point your phone camera at whatever thing you find in the wild and it will identify it for you. These are some very nice smelling white flowers here. You can see these green little dots building up and it will then fill the whole bar as the app is working, and then it will pinpoint the species that you are trying to identify and it will tell you the name. So they are orange flowers, no wonder they smell like my face cream. Once you record your observation, you can see all sorts of information about it. There are some purple flowers over there. Let's have a look. Like all apps, it is not 100% reliable and sometimes it has trouble identifying the species. So just go back and forth, try different angles, and be patient. If it still doesn't work, you can always try again in the future. Look at that! That looks like a raspberry. What makes this app really awesome is the fact that you can explore with your family and friends in the parks and you can share with each other what you found. One really cool thing is that you can even level up based on the number of species you collected, so it's a lot of fun to use. It kind of reminds me of the Pokemon game, just without the battling bits. Oh yeah, it's really is raspberry. 皆さんどうでしたか？北ロンドンはロンドンの中でも最も美しい地域です。ですので、また別の公園での景色を皆さんと共有できればと思います。皆さんが家族や友達と散歩を楽しんでくれれば本当にいいなと感じます。週末や夏休みに自然について学ぶことはとても楽しくて素晴らしいアクティビティです。もしこの動画を見てこのアプリを始めた方がいたらどんなものを見つけたかぜひコメントで教えてください。ありがとうございました。それではまたお会いしましょう。